Splendid cartoon.
Yeah, romantic jazz man. Armenia, Polynix.
Hello, my love.
How are you, dear?
I am not fine. I just got a call from the village that my mother is very sick.
OMG, what happened to her?
I don't know yet, but I'm on my way to the village. I need to go see her.
Okay, dear, take good care of yourself. Call me as soon as you get to the village, okay?
I will. I don't know when I will return. It all depends on her condition.
Do not worry, dear. Stay as long as you want. I will be fine.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I love you. Wow. Great news.
This is crazy mix.
If I give you my heart, yo, will you promise to love me to the end of the time, yo, baby?
Sweetheart, what's good?
Baby, guess what? We'll be spending the night together today.
Are you serious? What about your wife?
Well, she has traveled to the village to see her sick mother.
Hey, yeah. Anyway, that's good to hear. That means you'll be coming over to my place after work.
Yes, and I'll be coming over to pick you. We'll go out to eat, then we'll go back home to our farm.
I'll be expecting you. I love you.
I love you much more.
Do you think it's a good idea doing this on your matrimonial bed?
You have nothing to worry about. My wife is somewhere in her village attending to her sick mother.
Anytime you go penny to fata senu. Anytime you go kini lẹ́yìn. Ó fẹ́ dùn sọ́gbọ́n.